I made already 3. So this is last. This is fillings of lumpia sariwa wrappers. Yan. Let's saute garlics. And then we have to put now these onions. Light gun. Now we'll put now these slices of string beans. And also this carrot. Now we can put now also these slices of cabbage. Now salt, 1 teaspoon salt, and soy sauce. Cook in slow fire. Now let's check if already half cooked. So we'll test if already cooked and the taste is good. So it's already cooked now. I have to turn off now the flame. Assalamualaikum everyone. Alhamdulillah for another day. Today I'm going to make another recipe which is very common in Philippines. I'm going to make homemade lumpia wrappers sariwa. So these are all the ingredients. Half cup sifted all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch or corn flour because I don't have cornstarch, 1 whole egg medium size, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, pinch of salt, and I have to use also evaporated milk. If you don't have evaporated milk, you can use also water. Now we have to put all this one here ingredients. And then this salt, cooking oil, 1 whole egg, and then evaporated milk. Now we have to mix well. I add more half cup of all-purpose flour because if only half cup, then not enough. So I use 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now this butter is very sticky, so we have to add more milk. Must be the butter is like liquid. Butter is still sticky. Now we have to add water. Some water. because I already put milk before, so we have to add little bit water. Now little bit more. So I think enough this water here. I make already 2 and this is 3. I think no enough here. Now let's eat everyone my homemade lumpia sariwa wrappers with fillings. Now kain tayo, tikman natin itong isa. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Sarap. Mm. Mm.